EarthX.
EarthX.
EarthX Battery.
EarthX.
Let's get down to business.
One other totally awesome thing to power all these new fancy electronics, EarthX Battery, baby, what's up? That is, I put one of these on the Lancer, huge difference, way more juice in this little box than the other old school things.
Power this bike, we are going to be using this EarthX battery, a super high performance battery for a subpar junk bike.
Had a standard battery, it wouldn't have made it. And I don't know how you'd get out of that, honestly. If I lost all my attitude and a dead engine in a race plane with tiny, tiny wings and hard IMC from 40 miles out and 28,000 feet with smoke in the cockpit, I don't know if I could have juggled that extra 10 balls. So thank you, EarthX. Appreciate knowing all the way down my voltage almost didn't even move, and I'm all solid class operating in X. You very well could have saved my life, so appreciate you guys.
And then we got EarthX battery back there. We got a lithium battery. Heck yeah. Get some extra jumpy juice.
This battery is 70 to 80% lighter than lead acid. And here's a whole slew of positives with this battery, so let's throw it in the H2.
Takeaways today are weight savings, really happy about weight savings, and better cranking.
Which will help with our electronic ignition.
Yeah.
That has kind of maybe not been 100% on start.
Yeah, it needs a little bit more on starting, so that's going to help that. The starter motor will crank faster.
We're flying. The new EarthX battery is in. You might have noticed from the startups, it starts much faster. It's got a stronger start.
We're among the pilots moving from ancient lead acid to modern battery tech.
And you're going with the highest tech battery?
Yes, we are. Absolutely. We've tested the battery to full extent. We've had it in so many different applications. We never had any issues. We've only satisfied customer. The system works. It's a very safe battery management system. So no worries from my side on that one. Thanks to EarthX.
Yeah, we have a lithium battery in it from EarthX. They sponsored us for that and made sure we got that.
Wow! Can confirm that EarthX battery pushed that starter a lot harder than my old one.
Wow, guys, I could not be happier with the EarthX battery inside of this. It started the airplane so quick and so hard. Here's a side-by-side comparison real quick so you can see it for yourself and how much faster the propeller starts turning over. So EarthX, great product.
Let's get down to business.